Hi Aditi.
So shall we just give it a clap, everybody? Congratulations, Aditi. You have, achieved the first milestone of your coding course. Maybe you have done before, but I think this should be one of the feathers in your cap, I believe.
Sorry, first time.
And she thoroughly enjoyed. I mean, whatever was taught, she practiced and all. But they have to do more and develop some more their own apps, single page one. But that's fine. And want to say about Nikhil sir. So I have kind of heard right in some classes and kind of patience you have, right? I mean, every question you answered. I think Aditi has approached you on chat also whenever she had doubt later after class, and you have answered it all the questions, right? So good job handling all the kids and answering their queries.